you are. There you are. All right, we are up here at the cabin, and it is snowing. Snow is on the branches and stuff. It's kind of pretty. Yeah. But here's the cabin. Can't really do much on it today. Just wanted to come up here and see how sturdy the floor is. And was wanting to talk to y'all about what I've got planned on it. First off, let me step up on it and see if it moves any. Alright, that should give y'all a pretty good view of what all goes on when I step on it. If we get the dogs out of the way. Come on up here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come up here. You can get up here. Come on now. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, Daisy. You can do it. Come on. Jump. Jump. You can do it. Come here. Come here, girl. Come on, girl. Don't lazy thing. Come on. Hey. Come here then, baby. Come on, man. You can do it. Okay, with all three of us up here, should be a pretty good test. Okay, with two of us up here. And it might be moving a little. I don't think it's too bad. It may be okay. Okay, yeah, I think as it goes along, I think it's going to get more and more strength. Still have to put a board across up here. It's going to strengthen it this way. And once I get the back wall and get the boards for the roof tied in, I think it's going to help a lot. But one thing about it, this is more of an experiment, kind of like a just something to do. I do want a cabin up here. If this idea doesn't work out, you know, or if it's not as sturdy as I would like, I do have a book of matches somewhere, and we can get rid of it and actually go and buy the materials to build a proper cabin. But I'm going to try to do it like this because this is all free. The roof, I don't think I'm going to trust the roof to pallets. The roof, I think I'm going to use some store-bought stuff. I do have the metal to put on top already, but for the roof, I want to make sure that it's going to not fall in on me. But anyway, I have worked up kind of a plan in SketchUp to try to show y'all what I want to do and how I want it all to work. And well, there's two things holding me back right now. One thing is I really don't want to get out here and be cold all day and freezing, and it's pretty, but it's cold. And another thing, that's the last pallet that I've got, and it's kind of old looking, so I don't know if I'm even going to use that one. It's been laying on the ground for a while, so I don't want to start off with one halfway rotten. But I guess we'll just go to looking at the plans now. Okay, it's just I'm screen recording my computer, and I was going to show you, this is the design that I'm wanting for the cabin. This is what I'm hoping that it will turn out to look like. The porch, of course, is going to be a little different. These will probably be trees, maybe even the couple of trees, like there was one here and one over here that I cut down. These may be the trunks for those to actually hold up the porch. I don't know. I don't think my porch is going to really be that big. That's kind of exaggerated. It's about as long as the actual cabin itself. But we'll see. I'll probably get to that part eventually. The main cabin is the main part. Okay. You can see that this is the front with the two windows and the door, which I have to build the door, I guess, or find one that's the exact dimensions, which I doubt is going to happen. I'll have to build one. You can see this other little addition here. This is a bathroom. Very simple little bathroom. It's not going to be anything major. You can see the brick from the fireplace coming out, but I'm not going to have brick even inside there, so but that's all I could find. If I looked more, I could probably find a better stove and all that, but that's pretty much what I found. Okay, no windows in the back as of now. I may change my mind on that. It might be nice to put a window back here to have cross-flowing ventilation. Okay, we got a window on this side though, and I've already got that window up there. Now the top windows, I don't actually have a big long window like this, but I just put that in there because I think that looks pretty good like that. I may see what I can find, maybe a division right here or something, but it'd be nice to have windows all the way across there like that. Okay, you can see the type of roof that I want. It's just going to be a sloped roof. Of course, these ends will be closed. They're not going to be open like that, but for demonstration purposes here. So you can see inside and all that. You can see the loft, which is kind of hard to show you from the inside, but you can see the loft there. I still have to build a ladder or make some kind of ladder here for getting up and down into there. But anyway, let's go inside here. I'm pretty new to SketchUp, so I'm still kind of learning. Alright, now inside here, it's going to be pretty simple. Got like a little vanity here, and this is the portable toilet from the van. I figured that would be good just to have in here. And I'm thinking this extra room will be needed because the walls may actually come in, or I mean, I know there's going to be a door here, but just to show you where everything's going to be, you know, it's pretty easy like this. We've got a little TV stand. Don't know if I'm going to put that. A futon, but what I would like to do for this, I would like to build this out of pallets and just get a futon mattress and put on there. I think it would work pretty good. And over here we have the little wood stove. I do have a wood stove like that. This doesn't show the door, but mine's got a door right here. But it looks pretty much identical to that. I'm just going to use like flat rocks from the creek or something like that to line the floor, and probably metal to line the walls, but that's just what it kind of had with it. Just to give you kind of an idea of what I'm talking about. Over here we've got a little kitchenette. That's what I want, is something pretty simple. Just a little sink with a place I can sit a portable stove, or maybe I've got a a stove out of a camper, stove and oven actually, that's gas. I might put that in here. But you can sit here and cook and look out the window over the hill. Or you got a window on this side too. Like I said, there's not much to it. I mean, it's a small cabin, so you can see how much room that I'm going to have. This is the actual dimensions that it's going to be. With this part added on here, gives a little bit more room. It definitely needs either a curtain or a door or something up here though, but that's just to kind of give you an idea of what I'm doing. But anyway, that is my design for the cabin anyway. It may be kind of crazy, but as like I said before, if it doesn't work out with the pallets, if they happen to not be sturdy enough or I don't feel confident with them, I can always start over and build it with supplies I get elsewhere. But anyway, I think that is probably going to about do it. Oh yeah, I do have another. Let me X out of this. And I put the landscape with it here. Kind of. Like I said, I am new with this, so this is just pretty much playing around. But here it is. It's kind of levitating, I guess. But, yeah. If I could do that, that would be really cool. But anyway, this kind of shows that the way the landscape is around the cabin. Actually, it would probably be a little closer to over in here. But there's a little creek down there. Let me move it up here. There's a little creek going down through here, and that's where I'll be overlooking, right there. And there's a hill right behind it there. It's about like that. That's pretty close. But anyway, there we go. There is the pallet wood cabin on a hill. Let me get a good angle here. There it is. Anyway, I appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you on the next one.